Hey everyone, if you've been with the channel for any amount of time, you know that I love the Char-Griller Akorn. In fact, it's the cooker we started this channel with. Well, today we make the next step in the evolution, and that is we're going to unbox and assemble our new Akorn Auto Kamado. To begin with, this thing is packaged really well. It's actually double packaged. There's a box in a box. And one thing I love about the Akorn series is that there's really not a whole lot to putting them together. You got the classic Akorn shape of the grill, but those three pieces that make it up, the top lid, the body, and the ash pan, are really, there's nothing to do to them. They're just there. So we'll flip it over and we'll get those legs on. We'll put on the bottom pan, and of course put the front axle and the back caster on. After we get to that point, I'll flip it over. Now this is where it starts to get a little bit different. We're going to install the new fan on this Auto Kamado. This is going to run a lot like the Gravity 980 in that a computer-driven fan and temperature probe are going to control how this cooker runs, so we don't have to worry about temperature swings. Speaking of that, I think this is amazing because I know about the programming they put into the 980 to make it run right. Well, as someone who's used a barbecue guru on a old school Akorn a lot, there's some tricks to running it. With the efficiencies of a Kamado, you can't just put a blower system on it and expect it not to run away. So while I'm confident they've taken that into account with this cooker, I'm really excited to test it out. Speaking of, this is where the temperature probe goes. It's going to feed the information to the computer, which will then control that fan. We'll bolt the top lid to the body. Put the internals in, including our fire basket, our fire grate, our new stainless steel heat diffuser. I'm excited to see how this goes compared to the old ceramic style. Of course, the classic cast iron cooking grate. And we'll finish up by putting our handle on. I love the look of this new Auto Kamado. Like the handle alone, I really dig this style. And of course, I'm in love with the Akorn anyways. These are such versatile cookers that can pump out just amazing barbecue. I'm so excited to cook on this thing. I have a feeling this cooker is going to be absolutely amazing and just a great pair with the already fantastic 980. But till we get to that first cook video, if you want to know my favorite recipe for an Akorn, click over here on these chicken wings and let's talk about it.